Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to show you an easy, really quick, effective way without any soldering of extending the speaker wire that you may have for your personal hi-fi equipment or audio-visual equipment. So let me get straight to it. How do you create a really easy bond like this? Let's go. If I wanted to extend this bit of cable with this bit of speaker cable, all I'm doing is trimming off the sheath, and then I'm combining those in a way that I can then put this liquid rubber insulating coat over the top, which is quite pliable, and then afterwards will go quite hard. This is linked in the comments below and in the video at the top, but let me walk you through it, show you how to do it. What I'll do is I'll show you what I think is the most effective way of doing this. So you've got your two strands, so what you want to do is you want to be connecting them in this kind of orientation. If I just show you here, so all you're doing is crossing them, and you're basically crossing them over on one another like that, okay? And just twisting it over onto itself. Try and keep it tight to there. And then that there gives you a really good, nice fit, okay? So that's one way of doing it. The other way, flail out the strands on one end, flail out the strands on another end, like this. And then what you try and do is you bring them together like that, and then you just wind them around one another, okay? I personally prefer the first type than the second type. The reason being is because this here, if I try and pull it apart, it won't happen. This here, if I pull it apart, it will naturally slide apart. So I prefer having a bit of a knot in it, just in case later on you do accidentally pull on the wire, okay? So those are the two ways of doing it. Now what you need is this amazing stuff, which is called liquid insulating rubber coat. You can get it from Amazon, links at the bottom, links at the top. And all you're doing is you're putting a rubber bonding coat. And this is a bit like your bathroom sealant, if you've ever used it. It's pliant. It says be careful with it on your skin. You can use it. It doesn't really stick, and it doesn't hurt. It's not like super glue which sticks, but you do have to be careful. What I would do is I wouldn't necessarily do it on any surfaces like this wooden table. I would put a bit of paper underneath it to protect it. But let me show you how. Okay, so if I just show you, there you go, you can already see that one's come apart, but if I just show you on this. So all you're doing is, this stuff is a bit like toothpaste, but obviously don't use it like toothpaste. Okay, so all you're looking to do is squeeze a bit of this out. You don't need a lot of it. Squeeze a bit of this out here, okay? And it's got a kind of pliable texture to it, which means that you can just run this round. I'm not doing a very good job here. You can just run it round like so, okay? Yeah, it's got a bit of a smell to it, so make sure you're in a well ventilated area. But what happens then, if I just do that, like that, that is it. Needs to dry, takes to fully dry probably about an hour or two. But what that means is you've now got a nice protective coating. You don't need to solder, don't need any of that. And yeah, with this really simple liquid electrical tape. And that is it. So that's how you extend a speaker wire. This here, obviously, is just a really simple bond. I hope that's helped at least one of you out there. Please do like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.